What is up guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how you can add payment methods to your Shopify store. Now the first thing you want to do guys, of course, is to open your Shopify, and then after that you want to click settings at the very bottom left. Now after that guys, you want to click on payments, okay, in the left. Now after that, this is how the page looks like. All you have to do guys to add first, as you can see here, it says here payment providers, and second option says here supported payment methods, and the third option here is payment manual payment methods. Now what this means is like you can add cash on delivery, so people are going to pay when the item is delivered to them. You can add here where it says add manual payment method, and you can select here cash on delivery, and then you can add additional details and payment instructions, and then click activate cash on delivery. Now for those who want to activate cash on delivery, but if you want to add a payment method, like you want to, for example, Stripe, PayPal, I'm going to show you guys every single thing you need to know right now. And the first thing you want to do guys, you want to go first with supported payment methods that Shopify approves, okay? Now like next I'm going to show you how you can add like third-party payment providers. Now the first thing you want to do guys, you want to click on add payment methods here. Now guys, all you have to do, you want to click on add payment methods, and here you have to search for payment methods. For example, let's say that I am going to add MasterCard, Visa, American Express. I'm going to search for something else. You just want to search for anything here, for example, Union Pay, and then you can see here like as you can see, it says here 6 providers offer these payment methods. Like these are approved by Shopify, so there is nothing to worry about. You can easily create an account on these websites that offer these payment methods. Now what you need to do guys, you want to just select which select here payment methods. For example, I'm going to add another payment method, which is Bitcoin. You can also add cryptocurrencies. Now after that guys, what you need to do guys next is, as you can see, it says here after I selected Bitcoin, it says here there is no providers that support your selected payments. Now I'm just going to delete Bitcoin. As you can see, there are a lot of like providers that can that accept these payment methods. Now for example, I'm going to select credit card, debit card, mint. You just want to click on activate, and then you want to click on connect, as you can see. And here you have to create account on and then the next thing you want to click is install app in the top right. And then what you want to do guys next is you want to create an account on the website, as you can see mint, and you have to create an account, as you can see store, and then as you can see a secret code, credit card, and then click save. Now this is how you can use this. Now let's say that you want to use Stripe. You just want to search for Stripe, okay? Yeah, you want to search for it by provider, because Stripe is a payment provider. Now you want to search for Stripe. As you can see, it's not available for me because I live in a country that doesn't support Stripe. Now you can easily find Stripe if you are in another country, for example, United States or Europe. Now as you can see, it says here payment providers third parties. So this is not like you can choose a provider. As you can see, these are third payment providers. Like you can but they are not, as you can see, Stripe unavailable in my country. So Stripe is not available in my country, as you can see. If it's available, you just want to go and then search for stripe.com and then create an account there. As you can see, this is how it looks. You want to click sign in. If you already have an account, you just want to log into your account, and then you can start using Stripe on your Shopify. Now that's exactly guys. If you have any questions or anything, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you guys in the next video.